So the question, what, how to do Asemic writing? How does one do Asemic writing? What tools does one use? And I think that the main answer is to do Asemic writing, you use whatever is at hand, whatever's around you. Um, I want to refer very quickly to the Asemic International's manifesto, where it says Asemic writing is a means of debureaucratization, should be used as such. Even today, there is a necessity to use it everywhere, at work, in a rally, while filling in useless forms, answering stupid questions in written, in the court, jail, and even at a mental hospital. Um, Asemic writing can be written by anything, but also it can be read anywhere. The question then is how to read Asemic writing. I want to look at that one more urgently than how to write in Asemic, because we can write. You can write even using a keyboard with the Latin alphabet on it, by using different combinations of letters that aren't words that will create an Asemic language. But reading Asemic um, can also be read anywhere, and especially in natural forms, in trees, in the branches of trees, making kind of writing. I want to look at two particular examples. One is of telling stories by the fire, and the other is reading tea leaves. So the first one, reading stories in the fire, like telling stories around the fire. I'm putting this thesis of reading the fire, reading the flames. When one reads the flames, when you sit around the fire and tell stories, especially when you're making up stories, looking at the fire, you're looking at the flames as almost like not symbolic form, but iconic. You're seeing images arise in the flames, scenes are made, pictures are made, and you can read and interpret those pictures along with how your imagination's working. And but also the flames can be like symbolic letters and words, and you can read those flames. Um, the other example I wanted to look at was divination and reading tea leaves. Um, Now here, you can do divination in like hair clippings or anything scattered in a kind of seemingly random or supposedly random way. And reading tea leaves, the example of that where the reader will read the tea leaves, but the writing of the tea leaves is through the drinking of the tea, the stirring of the tea, the drinking of the tea, and that process of drinking the tea and the tea leaves remaining in the pot or in the cup, which are then read as a kind of asemic writing that has formed. Um, yeah, I'll leave it there.